Hey everybody, I was just going through cleaning up some old videos and found a takeoff that I thought might be interesting. It's kind of shaky cam, but I don't do many nil win launches. But this was a nil win launch. I probably stupidly was set up for full cross country. I had a full water tank, I had 2 full gas tanks, I had batteries, everything except for camping gear on my paramotor. It was expected that we'd have about 7 to 8 mile per hour wind. There was a storm about 120 miles away that affected that a little bit and basically just ended up having us take off in no wind, which is pretty funny to watch me take off in no wind because it's just something I'm not good at. Anyways, it was a pretty sketchy launch. Ended up barely climbing out before I hit a wall of mesquite trees and ended up kind of having to turn and find a little bit of a path through some mesquite trees just to climb out. So enjoy. Another thing is I'd like for you guys to go take a look at a friend's channel. His dad is a Vietnam veteran and had a pretty miserable experience over there, and maybe even more of a miserable experience when he got back. 50 years later, he's going back to Vietnam and visiting to try and get some closure, and they're doing a good job with videography on this. And if you're a friend of mine, you're probably going to enjoy it. So I'll link here at the top if I can figure out how to do it, and I will also link below. So enjoy the video.
Dear God, it's hot today. And no wind. I just want to, if I just get a cycle through, it'd be something. Oh, I loaded up to take off of a lot bigger venue than this. Brand new 360 lens.
I did not enjoy that launch at all. This 23-meter charger is pretty dynamic when I've got a lot of weight on it. I think I'm done trying to put a bazillion gallons of gas on this thing. I should have. I made that land. That was almost a dangerous takeoff. And if I would have just siphoned off a little gas and not been so macho, it would have been a lot easier. Oh, it's still a beautiful day to fly, though. Any day to fly is a beautiful day to fly. As long as you're not flying straight down to the ground. Man, I didn't even realize we were coming up on Cadillac Ranch. I'm looking around for planes and stuff. Dude, if I didn't paramotor and I stopped in as a tourist to the Cadillac Ranch and got buzzed by 3 paramotors, I would think that was pretty great. My boss calls it a flying wheelchair. That's the way to be positive. It's optimistic to think you'll last an hour with something not breaking. That's actually my gas tank on fire. It's burning my butt. Yeah, I smell it now. It smells good. What is this place? Is this like a trash dump or something? It's as scenic as I ever thought it would be. That drainage ditch is in the shape of Texas.
That's it. The rest of the video got corrupted. We proper production values up in here. If you want good production, go watch Anthony Vella. You'll get good production there. And he's actually more handsome and funnier, all that stuff too. So see you next time.